In this video, we're going to take a look at how to set up a different schedule, one where you're not teaching the same thing every day. When you log in, go ahead and get to your timetable. Again, you can click on Lessons and then come down, and this is where you will find your timetable. Now, this right here shows a daily schedule, meaning that you would teach the same thing every day. If this is not what your schedule looks like, what you want to do is click on Change Rotation. Now, within this, you have some different options. So this right here is a daily schedule where there is one day and every day you teach the same thing. You could add days to it. So maybe you are on an AB, AB, AB schedule. Maybe you have an ABC schedule. So you will see how you can change that up. Now, perhaps you want to look at a multi-week rotation. So click right here, and this is what a multi-week rotation would look like. So depending on what your schedule is, maybe you have an ABC type schedule. If that's the case, then this is what this needs to look like. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to switch this to 1 week. And let's go in and let's plan this for an ABC type schedule. I had already pre-planned one day. I had my planning period, my 4th, my 6th, and my 8th period. I need to come in and put in my odd periods. So I'm going to just drag and drop this to the schedule. And I want to make sure between my classes that I give my students 5 minutes to change class. And I have my classes set to an hour and a half each. I left space for lunch. I didn't make a lunch class to put on the schedule. You can if you want to, but it's completely up to you how you wish that to be. And then I have my period 7. Okay, now I need to repeat this on day C's and day D. So again, I will just come in here and I will drag and I will drop. So on day E, my schedule's a little different because I'm going to see all 7 of my classes, but not my enrichment class. So I'm going to come over here and I'm going to drop this in here, but instead of my class being an hour and a half, I'm only going to have a 50-minute class. So I need to come in, and again, I need to make sure that I'm giving time for my classes to change. So once I have my schedule planned out like this, you will notice that it also shows me that my algebra is on days A, C, and E. A, C, and E. It shows you which days you have these things planned on. You can go ahead and click Save Changes. Once you have your schedule planned out this way, if you go into your planner, so if you go into your week view, you will see where you can go in and you can add in the information that you need as far as choosing a template. Again, select the one for your school. And you can go in here and edit the content and do all of the things that we've talked about in the other videos. Now, if you are on something like an AB, AB, AB rotation, again, you can come up here and you can click Change Rotation. So I need a daily or a multi-day. If you notice right here, I have like a 2-day, and we're just going to go AB, AB, AB. We're not going to have any more C days. If I click Continue, you will notice that it will take the same exact thing that I had for my classes that I had set up, and it will shift it to just an A-B rotation. If I want to save that, then I can click on Save Changes. If I don't, then I don't need to click then save those changes. It really kind of depends on what the schedule for your school looks like and what makes the most sense to you.